How do I get a job in the mines as a trades assistant labourer? Easy. Go down to your local RTO, Registered Training Organisation, and ask them about their funding options. They may have funding for construction, over 40s, under 25s, and for Aboriginals. Talk to them about what skills are required to get a job in the mines. They'll mention your white card, working at heights, confined space, gas test, forklift, and EWP. They're your bare basic skills. Probably cost you around $2,500, and it'll cost you about 2 weeks of your time, Monday to Friday, 10 days. Your standard 11 mining inductions are a requirement for all coal mines in Queensland. Once you get your skills from the RTO and you get your statement of attainments, jump onto Seek, search location Mackay and Coal Fields, trades assistant labourer, and there'll be about 15 jobs there at the moment. Those jobs are paying anywhere from $40 an hour penalties to $50 an hour flat. They're usually 12-hour shifts. It's easy to get onto the shutdowns for draglines, wash plants and shovels. Once you're out there for a few weeks, or the shutdown might go for 4 weeks or 8 weeks, depending on how large it is, some of that money that you just made as a miner, put that back into training, get your dogger's ticket, and jump back onto Seek and try and get a job as a dogger in industry. All right, see you later.